Welcome friends. Today at Miss College Avenue we have reached IIT Kharagpur to spot and identify various forms of intolerance in the campus. Intolerance is on the rise. Intolerance is on the rise. We will be spotting various forms of intolerance in the campus and will be bringing to you how IIT Kharagpur has been turning into a hostile campus to live in. Let's look at all these intolerant signs placed by the administration all over the campus. As per our statistics, IIT Kharagpur has always been an intolerant place. Of all the applicants to IIT Kharagpur rejects 99.98% of its students. That is more than the percentage of bacteria that Dettol kills. Let's watch as these obscene scenes by the students show how intolerance is also growing among the student members.
डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दो, गाना चला दो, गाना चला दो।
विष्णु यार आवाज बंद करना, पढ़ रहा हूँ यार।
डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला दो,
How intolerant!
गाना चला दो,
Fuck this shit. We asked some of the students in the campus about their concerns of the growing intolerance in the campus. Let's watch what they say.
पहले मुझे लगा था कि यार वेजीज में ज़्यादा ही इंटॉलरेंट, लेकिन सारा का सारा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ही यहाँ पे इंटॉलरेंट। मैं 40 मिनट लेट के पहुँच गया क्लास में। द इंटॉलरेंट प्रोफेसर टोल्ड मी टू लीव। ऐसा थोड़ी चलता है। और फिर शाम को इन द मेस दादा बोलते हैं एक्स्ट्रा गुलाब जामुन नहीं मिलेगा। सो इंटॉलरेंट।
Since I'm in so many societies, तो एक दिन मेरा लैब फाइल कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था. I asked some of my friends to complete it for me and they refused. Can you believe the kind of intolerance they have been showing? Also, I have this ultimate load with the name of my department. It's called manufacturing and not who manufacturing. Sexism, God.
जैसे अभी कल की बात है, my roommate was actually trying to get into the girls' hostel. He was jumping over the walls, and the security guard he stopped him. So intolerant. Now, actually, for the past 6 to 8 months, the despondency and the intolerance in the campus is growing. जैसे मेरे रूममेट ने मुझे कहा कि actually we should move out to IIT Bombay. Now this is a very big and disastrous statement for him to make. He's even scared to open his ERP account now. Campus is growing very intolerant.
Some of the students have raised their voices by returning their awards to the administration. Let's watch what they say.
KGP is going very intolerant. Intolerance everywhere. I'll return my gold medal for inter-hall gardening.
तुमको bronze आया?
Maruni also will return exemption scholarship.
Clearly, the growing intolerance in the campus is a concern for the system and all its students. If you think IIT KGP should do something about the intolerance, post a status update by saying mean median mode KGP mein hai load. Oh my god. This was Miss College Avenue reporting from IIT Kharagpur with cameraman Rajat Tokas. Thank you.
Mean median mode KGP में है लोड.
Mean median mode KGP में है load.